Hi guys, it's a great day today because I received my Gaggia Classic Pro Evo machine and I just wanted to open my package and share it with you, see what's in it. The reason I bought the Gaggia Classic Pro Evo is that I always used fully automated machines, and I just want to get into espresso craft because something new, something different. I never liked the taste that I had out of my automated machines. However, with the life and this and that, you just don't have too much time to it. But finally, I decided to put my full head into this thing and learn the espresso craft. And I think Gaggia Classic Pro Evo is a great machine to start with. Maybe some of you disagree with me, but I think there's so much upside potential with this machine for someone like me. I ordered this from ordered online basically. I also ordered the IMS Nanotech shower head with it. And let's go ahead and open it. Basically it comes with this very sturdy, strong box. Inside the box, the Gaggia Classic sitting in its original shipping box. Box appears to be in perfect shape. No bent areas, nothing. And I did a lot of research. Yes, I know, I read about the boiler gate. I contacted with the seller and I was told that was isolated. Only certain serial numbers and certain machines, certain production dates was causing that boiler flaking problem. Boiler gate with the famous name to it. But anyway, they reassured me several times that this is not going to happen with this machine. And if I'm really worried about it, they said we can even send you an aluminum Gaggia Classic Pro boiler with it, and you can install it yourself if that ever happens. They highly doubt it, but they just wanted to reassure me. It sounded kind of weird at the beginning, but now it makes sense, I guess. Anyway, I just wanted to give it a shot, see what happens. I purchased the Thunder Black color, which I think is an excellent color comparing to others. And I also have a Mi Cafe DF54 in order. It's going to arrive hopefully within 20-25 days. And as soon as I get that, we'll make a video about that as well. So basically, out of the box comes with the classic Gaggia colors and boxing. Gaggia Milano. It's a pure Italian machine, which makes me feel extra confident about my purchase. Box is a little tricky. Obviously, it's been never opened before. And before I chop my hands, I just wanted to gently open this. There we go. I guess no matter how gentle you are, there's always a chance to rip this off. I guess that's how they know the package been opened or not. And I ripped the box, which is okay. Looks like packaged really well. You remove the top part, styrofoam. Here comes the machine. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Based on the reviews of the other people, I was thinking it's going to be super light, like something like a DeLonghi or a Breville appliance type of machine. But this is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Wow. Inside the box, you basically get everything ready to roll. Here's the drip tray. I also ordered some accessories from Amazon and other places. Currently it's being shipped. Wow, this is beautiful, you guys. Look at this portafilter. Pretty heavy. Comes with pressurized baskets. And there's a little plug for the back flushing, I think. Like I said, I may say things doesn't make sense as far as espresso thing goes, but I'm very new at this craft. And this is my first real machine. Okay. So out of the box, there are 3 baskets, I guess. Some pressurized, some not. A little coffee spoon. A useless tamper. I even know that tamper is not going to work. And here's a beautiful cover for the water. I guess comes in white. It has this protective coat on it, which I'm trying to remove. Huh. Kind of interesting. So, this is my Gaggia Classic Pro Evo, and I'm very excited about it. Let's see what else we have here. The charging cord. Here's the aluminum pipe for the solenoid valve. Huh. This is beautiful, you guys. Alright, well, this is my Gaggia Classic Pro. As I learn my espresso craft, I'll be happy to share with you guys what I know, what I can do with this machine. I also like to make videos of the accessories I got for my machine and keep you with me at this journey. Please, if you like this video, please go ahead and like it. And don't forget to subscribe it. And thank you so much for watching.